Hi friends, I have got OnePlus 13 in white color because I love this white color in OnePlus. They have offered three different colors: black, white and blue. I really don't like the blue color, but this white color looks very good. So if you are interested to buy OnePlus 13, you must watch this video, then you could consider, does this smartphone good or not for you? So let's start the video. Looking at the OnePlus 13 box, it comes in a striking red color. Inside you will find a white case that I really like for its quality feel. The box also includes a USB Type-A to Type-C charging cable along with a 100-watt fast charger with a Type-A port. The battery is generously sized, so you can rely on it for long-term use. The phone has a 6000 mAh battery and with the 100-watt charger. It can be fully charged in about 36 to 40 minutes. Additionally, the OnePlus 13 supports 50-watt wireless charging, 10-watt reverse wireless charging and 5-watt reverse wired charging. As for the design, there aren't too many changes. In the center of the back, there's a OnePlus logo, and next to the camera, there's H logo for Hasselblad. The camera module looks stylish and a nice rounded design, and there is a mic in the camera module as well. And there are additional mics and air blaster on the top. On the right side you will find the volume rockers and a power off button, and on the left side there's a pop-up button which is a OnePlus thing. The frame is made of aluminum which has a shiny finish. And if you can see, there's a speaker on the top behind the display, and there's another speaker at the bottom, giving you dual stereo speakers, and you will find another microphone, a Type-C port and a SIM slot that supports dual SIMs. Overall, the OnePlus 13 has a matte finish back and it offers a comfortable one-handed grip, though it might be slightly challenging to operate with one hand due to its large display. Now let's talk about the display. The OnePlus 13 offers the large 6.82 inches, which is a AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus support. It has a pixel density of 510, providing sharp visuals and a peak brightness of 4500 nits. The screen to body ratio is 90.7%. So the bezels are minimal, but the display isn't completely flat. It has a slight curve but adds a premium feel for some people, and some people like the flat display. For protection, it uses Crystal Shield Super Ceramic Glass, which offers better durability compared to regular Corning Gorilla Glass. Need to mention, the display is made by a Chinese company, and one great feature is the in-display fingerprint sensor, which is ultrasonic. The display doesn't work under the water as you can see in this video, but once you bring it out, it functions even if there's water on the screen. It comes with an IP68 and IP69 rating, allowing you to use it up to 1.5 meters deep for 30 minutes. So you can be assured for its water resistance, both in terms of display and durability against water exposure. The biggest feature of the OnePlus 13 right now is the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is incredibly powerful. It runs on ColorOS, as this is the Chinese variant, but it will be different when it reaches the international market. I also tested the OHaptics and it felt really good. Before starting to do the Antutu, the phone's temperature was at 30 degrees Celsius, but after giving us the result, it reached 47 degrees Celsius. The phone did heat up quite a bit, yet it achieved an impressive score of 2.746,000, which is excellent. However, overheating is a noticeable issue with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, as the phone tends to get quite hot. For the front camera, we have a 32 megapixel sensor capable of shooting 4K videos at both 30 and 60 FPS. As for the rear camera module, it features Hasselblad technology which adds great value. The main camera uses a Sony LYT-808 sensor, and all three rear cameras are 50 megapixel. The main camera also comes with optical image stabilization, enhancing stability in shots. Now I'm recording a video from the front camera of OnePlus 13. This is 4K at 30 fps. It also supports 1080p, 30 and 60 fps, 4K, 30 and 60 fps, but 720p only supports 30 fps. This is the result. And while recording a video, you cannot zoom in. Let me show you the running result. I'm not running that much fast, but you can consider the stabilization of front camera. Yeah, one more thing, I have already turned on the HDR. It supports HDR, Dolby Vision and voice enhancement. This is the result from back camera of OnePlus 13. This is 0.6x ultra wide. I have turned on HDR, 10 plus Dolby Vision and voice enhancement already. It also offers 8K 30 fps. This is 0.6x. I'm walking slowly, and there are 5 switches from the lenses. This is 0.6x, this is 1x, this is 2x, and this is 3x. When you switch from 2x to 3x, the colors shows very a little bit different. This is 3x, and then 6x. From the 6x you have to draw till 18x. It can zoom till 18x. This is the speed. This is 0.6x. Nice. Let's see the final video of OnePlus 13, because there's a AI in the cameras. It helps to make the video and photos better. Let's see. Yeah, one more thing, let me show you the running results so you can consider the stabilization of this phone. Yep, this is the result from the back camera. I have installed PUBG in OnePlus 13 already. Let me show you the graphic. If we go into the settings, we will see in the smooth we will have ultra extreme, the highest setting in smooth, and balanced, HD and HDR. We will have extreme frame rate. And ultra HDR, we will have the highest frame rate is ultra, and we are going to play a game in high graphics. I have applied. Let me show you the temperature. It's 34, 33 from the front, and 32. Let me show you the battery remaining. It's 32 now. So I'm going to play a game about 30 minutes, and let's see how much battery it will consume. Let's start. There are three modes. The first is low power, second balance, and third is gaming. But this mode might consume battery very fast. And in tools, you will have some more features such as screen recording, mistouch, hollow audio cleanup. All right, guys, it's 30 minutes already. Let me show you the temperature. In the end, 34 Celsius, 30, 31 Celsius. This is the temperature, and let me show you the battery. It's still remaining 25%, and I don't feel hot in my hand. Let me tell you about the colors, price, and variants. The OnePlus 13 comes in three colors: black, white, and blue. The blue version has a wagon leather back, which personally isn't my style, so I chose the white variant. The white one has a matte glass back, which I think looks really nice. There are four variants available. So the OnePlus 13 comes in at $640 for the base model, and I have listed other variant prices here on the screen. In the next video, I will be comparing the camera quality of the OnePlus 13 and iQOO 13, which is going to be an interesting one. You will get a clear idea of the camera differences between these two phones and find out which one suits you best. I will be uploading that video soon, so be sure to like that and subscribe so you don't miss it. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.